Hello, this is Cynthia Masterson and I'm leading the beading activity tomorrow night. If you didn't get a bead kit in the mail, if we ran out or somehow we didn't get your address right, you can try to pull together some of these materials for the activity we're going to do, making a couple of really simple stretch bracelets. I chose these colors because they're the Native Action Network black and red colors. They're just 8mm beads with some seed beads. But if you have any beads, these are some fire polish beads. I know a lot of regalia, you might have some of those left over from your regalia making. These are some 6mm seed beads, but really any beads you have around, you can make a really simple stretch bracelet with Stretch Magic. This is 7mm. It also comes in a 1mm. I like the 7. It seems like it does okay. You don't need a needle to thread it. You can thread it with no needle. But sometimes it is just easier to have a needle. So I just made this from a beading needle and I put a little thread loop around it. So you can just use it like a big eye needle. There are big eye needles for this, but you know, we don't always have those around. They're not easy to find. And I also use one of these little binder clips or a paper clip or some kind of clip just to clip off the end while you're stringing so you don't lose all your beads, which is really frustrating. And some scissors to cut that off, or fingernail clippers. This is Aleene's Tacky Glue. You can put some glue on your knot with Aleene's Tacky Glue, or any glue really. If you don't have a glue pen, I have a little glue pen I use, but if you don't, you can use a toothpick. Nail polish works, but you know, if you're confident in your knot tying, you don't even really need any glue. So yeah, if you want to pull those together for tomorrow, or you have your kit, we'll do the project tomorrow. See you then. Bye.